Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy autumn dry brush and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this base coat by Orly. I'm going to use it because I love the look of it and I just thought it would look pretty. This green by Pure Ice called Wild Thing. Yellow by Sinful Colors called Let's Meet. This orange by Essie called Enough is Enough. And this neon orange by Orly called Melt Your Popsicle. So I've already painted 2 coats of the base color, and I'm going to swipe the colors onto my nails to create the dry brush look. I personally like seeing my natural nails go through the dry brush design, but if you want, you can do a white background and make the colors pop more. Then using my Born Pretty BPL-024 nail plate, I'm going to apply black polish onto this pretty leaf design. I love this design. It's one of my favorite stamp designs. I just love the look of it. It's so realistic. And autumn is one of my favorite times of year, so I love creating these autumn designs. So I love how this whole look came out, and be on the lookout for more autumn looks because I'm gonna go crazy. Once I was done, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I see you guys love my dry brush designs, and I know why, because it's really simple and easy to do. I'm gonna do more of them. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.